This home checks all the major boxes: fantastic location, high-end interior finishes, and superior energy efficiency. Every aspect of this home has been loved and cared for by the seller, and it shows. This 3-bedroom rancher has really great finishes with gleaming hardwood floors, 2 full bathrooms, both of them updated, and this remodeled kitchen with high-end cabinetry and appliances, and this truly beautiful Amazonian soapstone countertop. It's really amazing. You have to see it in person. The seller has already done most of the heavy lifting in the home with high-efficiency triple pane windows, a new AC, an updated electrical box, a 96% efficiency gas furnace, and tankless gas water heater. There was a new roof in 2015, plus additional insulation. All of these upgrades gave the home one of the highest home energy scores I've seen for a home of this vintage. Out back, you'll fall in love with the large covered patio and deck, including a built-in seating area and an eating area that's plumb for a gas barbecue. All of this overlooks a charming garden with a giant magnolia tree, jasmine, honeysuckle, and more. It is the perfect backyard oasis you can use year-round. Best of all, this home is located in the vibrant St. John's neighborhood. It's mere minutes to the St. John's Main Street with tons of cool pubs, coffee, the library, St. John's Theater and Pub, Gracie's Pizza, and multiple grocers, including Fred Meyer, New Seasons, Safeway, and a pretty great farmer's market. Reach out to me for more information or click the link below in the description.